day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Big up to everybody, country girl, country boss, Arizona boss, truck boss. Now, there's a thing going on in Jamaica where them say the school kids them are buy gathering and it's selling like hot bread. And I'm trying to figure out why is this happening? Is it fake news? So I had to explore and do some research and kind of come up with a conclusion why this is happening. So let's go.
Since of late, we have been finding students with guard rings, and it is an extension from the gangs in the communities. It is an extension of the lottery scammers. It is an extension of some family on a whole as it relates to their belief in those practices. But we have found some rings in...
Well, I listened to this educator and I think she nailed it in a certain way. I am not too sure it's so much the lottery scamming and gangsters. We all know that gathering and obia is a part of our culture. I know a obia woman, but they are Jamaica. Enough police and politician goes to her. Doctors go to her when people is in the hospital in a public and them can't find them complain. Police, politician, regular people. So I am not too sure that it is so much lottery scamming and stuff like that. It is more like the family and the culture. Now, I'm going to play another clip and speak about something I saw on the vlogosphere. Another vloggers who vlogging about this issue. So let's go.
The purported supernatural objects are said to offer protection for the wearer, reportedly burning or squeezing the finger when danger is close. That the practice of wearing the guard rings has become popular with accused persons appearing before the courts. She says the individuals believe the rings can get them off particular charges.
As we move along, there's a couple things I want to address. Look at the screen in front of you. It says student was killed as a sacrifice for part of a spooky guard ring ritual. I totally disagree with that. Guard ring in Jamaica is part of our custom, like I said, police, soldier, thief, bad man, all sort of people wear guard ring. Regular housewife, growing up in Jamaica, I see enough people got obia man and obia woman, and them are no gangster or scammer or killer. So it's a part of our culture. Now, the student get killed for robbery because they might try to take away him ring. That I deal with economics and money. Now, if you listen to the clip, which we just play, you hear where them say it's a form of protection when you go to court and court cases. So that's why I disagree with this spooky ritual thing. You understand? I think it's not spooky ritual, it's economics. Now, another part that I would like to address, and the educators and the police assistant inspector, the lady, the scamming has become prevalent. Just like anything, after a while it waters down into society. Like one time when you did have cell phone, it was the big ugly Motorola phone back in the 80s or 90s, and now a cell phone is like a computer. Actually, it's a computing device. You can't do anything with a cell phone. So yes, the scamming is getting more prevalent, and because it's getting more prevalent along with more crimes, and because gathering and obia is a part of our culture, that's why you have the marrying of the gathering, scammer, culture and everything. And that's my opinion. Because crime, scamming, killing, whatever is getting more prominent and more popular, it clashes and married with the culture in terms of gathering protection. Now, the last point, the educator them and the police them make a assessment that scammers are recruiting high school kids, and it makes sense with that, because the high school kids, they're more smarter and they're more up on technology. So it will make sense that they would gravitate towards scamming. And that's Countryman opinion. So my take is, the information coming out is part real news, part fake news, and the student was killed because of economics, not so much a spooky ritual. And that's my opinion. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And if you subscribe, leave a comment. I'm out.